Right line, so he's hoping not to hit the woodwork again. Oh! What can he do here? And as the bagpipes start blowing in the crowd, what can these RIDE Cymru do for Wales here? So, what can Jack do? Oh, it's over! Former RAF pilot. What can he do? Top right hand corner. Knievel couldn't get anywhere near it. He needs to score. If he doesn't score, Wales are out of the competition. So, can he get one back for Wales to make it 3-2? Corwin Knievel against the Rottenstall Knievel. Reverse angle again. Well struck, Rottenstall Knievel diving in despair there. Making his debut for England Knievels, Geordie Knievel. He's been compared to Paul Gascoigne, but mostly due to his behaviour in the bars rather than on the pitch. What can Geordie Knievel do here against Jacko Knievel? It's the big one. If Geordie scores, England have won. If Jacko can make this save, can Wales snatch a draw? Oh, there's a bit of banter. He's got the goal. England 4. And he struck it well. This is the reverse angle, and you can see there was a bit of a camaraderie going on. Geordie was doing the South Shield shuffle. Jacko followed with the Johnstown jig. Against the Rottenstall. Can he make it 3 for Wales? Oh, it's over the top again. Too many of the Welsh team have thought they're playing rugby. Over the bar. And the final score here is Wales 2, England 4. Well-deserved win for England. They were the best team on the day. A couple of the Welsh team, well, maybe it was their visit to Derek Matheson's in Pickering. They didn't turn up either. So England are the 2022 Knievel champions. Getting revenge against last year when Wales won at Glastonbury FC. But here at Bala Town Football Club, England have triumphed. 4 goals to 2. Big thanks to Bala Town Football Club for hosting this and supporting RIDE Capitals Knievels 2022, being evil for a good cause.